today let's take the poem The Rain. Now in this poem what we can see is there is a little boy, okay, there is a little boy who talks about the rain. He says that when it rains his umbrella keeps him safe from the rain, and when it has stopped raining the sun shines and flowers begin to grow everywhere. So now let's take the poem line by line. Pitter patter raindrops falling from the sky, here is my umbrella to keep me safe and dry. So now what is here? Here it is given pitter patter. What is pitter patter? Pitter patter is the sound, okay, it is the sound of the raindrops. Pitter patter raindrops, that means the raindrops which are making the sound pitter patter. So what is raindrop? Raindrop is drop of rain. You can see here the rain is falling and these are the drops of rain. So what is the sound they are making? Pitter patter. Pitter patter raindrops falling from the sky. So the boy is saying here that the raindrops are falling from the sky and they are making the sound pitter patter. Here is my umbrella to keep me safe and dry. So when he says here, that means he's saying alright, it is okay that it is raining because I have my umbrella, and my umbrella is keeping me safe and dry. It is keeping me safe from getting wet and protecting me and keeping me dry. Now first he was telling us that the raindrops are coming down from the sky and he has his umbrella so he can be safe and dry. Now let us see what he wants to say. When the rain is over, when the rain is over, that means when the rain has stopped, okay, when it has stopped raining. So he is saying when the rain is over and the sun begins to glow. To glow means to shine. So now we all have seen when it is raining, what do we see? Here you can see even in the picture that when it is raining, the whole thing becomes dark, okay. But what happens when it has stopped raining? See, you can see the sun starts to glow. That means the sun starts to shine. Now earlier it was dry, so when it started raining, let us see what is happening. Little flowers start to bud and grow and grow and grow. Then what is happening when it is dry, the raindrops are falling down on the earth, and now when the sun is glowing, what happens? Little flowers, okay, little flowers, they start to bud. Now bud is the initial form. Bud, you can see here there are two pictures. This is the bud, okay, you can see here bud is when it is the flower is very small and it has got this green thing in it attached to it. This is called the bud, and bud it further blooms and it becomes a flower. So this is the flower. So bud, it when it grows it becomes a flower. So here the poet is saying that little flower, this boy is saying that little flowers, they are starting to bud, they are started to come out of the shoot, and they are growing and growing and growing. That means they are blooming. That's why everywhere there are flowers. There are flowers everywhere, as you can see in the picture. Okay, that's it.